somewhere. There must be a misunderstanding somewhere. I need to find out what's and it's one or two in city. They're calling me, asking my whereabouts. And I've always been feeling something is okay. I need to do something before it gets out of hand. Like really, I need to do something. I know what to do. No, I know what to do. Like seriously.
Get out of my house. Leave my house. Just yesterday you came from the village. You are eating my food every day. Now you want to put that you are going places. Leave my house. Please. I don't want you around. Carry your bags. You can go back to the village. You can go back to those your places that I invite you.
Hey, hey. It's Blink on the mic. Babarkang dati Nyoko matangwe kumbachima Baba Baba Hey You wanna go and save my life Daddy The great man in battle Daddy Now you go save Now you I'm gonna be by your side all my life Daddy Chinesu Baba Baba Jehovah yeah You save me from the crowd And give me better life Hey Baba Baba
Man, asema utuna hano temi any remainance because my blood is here. Ukishiri titoka na chori tuwa hili kupea na upea. Kumazima tieranga na tiena. Ninkana ninjagara no. Ninjagara. They did the best you know job seen yesterday.
Uncle,
How you doing?
how you doing?
I'm doing God.
Uncle, please take me out of here.
What's the other? Actually,
Uncle, what are you doing?
this is my baby. Can you want to fuck with me? Blow out? To do anything wrong. I kill your parents. I will take you out of here on one condition.
Uncle, you killed that boy. He made me and my brother. Why? Why, Uncle? Why do you think this to us? What have we done to you? Why, Uncle? why God punish you.
You say
You will
God?
never have
You
peace.
say God?
God will punish you.
The same God you worship, or is there another God you still worship? The God in Africa? It's your passport. You have just one option. You choose this option. You are going out there to the United States with me, and you'll be under my control and supervision. You work for me as a slave. Yes. Here is your passport. You have two options. Option number one, getting you out of this place and traveling straight to the United States of America.
Okay, now you waste time, Leave a man tear am. I say leave am for me, my blood is shake. You know what I fit do? Leave am for me, my bolam. Master, leave am, my bolam. Master.
My brother will come
Oh,
and me from here.
You'll be more safe
Mommy.
in the United States. Here's your passport.
Mommy, mommy.
You can't work as a slave. Your documents are set. Take your visa, everything.
Yani shishi.
Okay, boss.
Uncle chill there. Yeah. Your uncle, na me be easy. If na me, I easy all the way. You know, I need care what I uncle. You can't depend on the pamper you be. I be blow your seat there. No try. I easy all the way. Oh, and because of the respect where I give for your uncle, like for those see you know. Where them boss. Oh, I did. I'm shaking.
Yes. You know what? This your passport. You have just 3 days. 3 days. In 3 days time, I'll be back to take you to the United States. All your documents are set. See you in a jiffy.
Angaro vanish. Angaro vanish. Oh, God, finish me. You finish me. You finish me. They play with fire. I'm not easy for the quarter, you know. Easy. Man, I would do something. Shit. Merde. Oh. Shit. Ma coposinho. Allo, signor. Poi Rangaro vanish. Rangaro vanish. Allo. Oh. Which I would talk to easy. And when I'm easy, I don't therefore say move easy. Me live a man easy. My easy, baby. Oh. My blood is here.
This life is not really easy. Truly, the nature don't care. I can see it today. Look at my life in the city. Strolling and looking at people, and they're looking at me. I have nowhere to go. Does it mean I'll go back to the village and stay in that forest, that house with my sister? Wait, where is nature taking me to? My friend number is not even going through. And I have tried her number several times. It's not going through. Now the B phone, the stupid button phone that I have is also bad. One go Zoom. One go Zoom ga Cameroon. God help me.
You have just saved my life.
My sister don't cry again. I just wanna let you know everything will be okay. You got where you don't want you not gonna let you down. They got where you they want you not gonna pull you down. They find a way they have for not to forsake you. Standing for your side right to the end of time. Every day I might make you the precious name. Dying for the life when you get to the end. Suffering no day, suffering no good day. Anymore, any day. Enemies back to sender. You struggle to put me down, you know could succeed.
I've gone everywhere. I've walked around the city, up and down, left and right. I don't know where to start from to look for this boy. Hi. God, what am I going to tell? What am I going to tell everybody around me? The sister, I don't even know her whereabouts. Hey, Leo, where are you? Hey, God, just show me a sign I'm going to see this. Show me a sign I'm going to see this boy. I don't know what to do again. I'm so tired. Oh God, what kind of life is this?
Yo! Natasha! I've been looking for you. I have walked around. The phone you gave to me is really bad. I've called your number several. See, let's forget about that one. My auntie drove me from the house. I was telling you this thing. Yeah. Since, see, where I am now, I'm very hungry. I don't even know. I don't know where to even go to.
When I was walking around, I saw a lot of things happening. We need to talk, Leo. We need to sit and talk. We need to.
See, my problem now is how my sister see me in that village.
We need to talk. Things are, whatever.
I just need ice cream with biscuits. It's okay.
Service. Oh, bring a bowl of ice cream.
I've got it. I want to go back to the village and take my sister. And look for a house.
Yo, wait. You cannot go back to the village. You see that village? What is it?
Can bring me biscuits for 150. 150.
Yeah, bring the biscuit.
Wow.
So how is like your sister now? I look for you everywhere. Everywhere.
I'm managing. My auntie drove me from the house. My auntie drove me from the house. Right now, I need to go back to the village. See, let me go and see my sister, by the way. We will.
You cannot go back to that place.
You are joking.
I'm telling you, you cannot go back to that
I'm not going to stay. I want to go and take my sister. I want to go and take
her. A lot of things are happening in the absence.
Like what? My problem here is my sister. I want to go there and take her. What has been happening does no matter. I know that there are bad boys in the village. It's normal. Yes. They can't harm me. They cannot harm me. When I think... Wait. I'm not understanding you. Why are you like this? By the way, how is my sister? Natasha, talk to me! What's happening?
I cannot understand. You will not understand.
Natasha, talk to me! My sister, what happened?
Your sister.
The two vagabonds for the village so where they record and say it's Ziba and Senior, so man will drink water for that bar. Where they worry all sides so na half. Man will chop drink water for the village for second this vagabond. And now it is said they just kidnap that girl way in the good do not it been innocent and a half. I not like the country, I not like camp. Hello, Natasha. I be come back for work. I stand in my piece. I want to look down for some palm corn. I see how way easy. Yeah, Senior. They can't go. No, I don't know, Natasha. So what can we do now?
Hey God, please let me call you back here.
Okay.
Let me call you.
Pardon? My sister is being kidnapped by those boys. I can't see. No, please don't tell me anything.
No, you need to come
No, please don't tell me my sister. I'm going to their camp. Like no, I cannot stand here. Oh God, my sister. This girl, what are you saying? My sister. This girl, what are you saying? It's Keto.
Let me tell you something.
The only one.
Wait, this thing, you need to calm down. You need to think before you do action because I know what I'm talking about. I'm coming from the village now. I know how the people get the village. So you need to calm down. Have a good rest. Then you think on the next step. How to take it. Don't just take action.
What was that? Easy boy, bro. I don't call you now. I don't call you. You need to pick my call. Why? Thank you, boss, senior, welcome. Voila. Thank you. The man I said to Dango said, come, with she outing. Not the easy, but the easy outing. Hey, who be here, my people? Oh, SKT. Mama SKT. So now she always say SKT. SKT. You don't know SKT? You don't know. Remember US? Wait, you don't know? SKT. You don't know? She not motor. One, I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you say SKT. I don't read that side. Okay, boss. Master.
I can't hear so my heart be bored. Boss, you call me for US as I tell that program. So, boss, you call me say, nah, tell us what I do now.
I don't boss, I said, boss, I don't like the way you are, I don't like him. Never be easy. I don't tell the easy outing. Cheat. Never be easy. I the easy on a level. Voila.
I did that side, and yes, so it's on Monday, they call, I say, bling. Now you make out a chair. Benefit make out a chair. Who's I did? Now you make out a chair. Come down, come on like that. Man, boy. Come on, I can find bling a who? Baby who? Man, give me cigar, my chair.
Boy,
man.
Baby who?
The man I say una.
Fire! It's time I will make a noise. It's fire. Fire go burn you. On your way now. Easy. Water no fit quench. Easy. Fire. That time they come. Fire go burn you. This is the time. Fire. You don't like that fire. Fire go burn.
SKT, but all is with there. Roland.
SKT.
Chief, calm. Where it go? I the SKT, man. Where it go? I think I'm not easy, man. Where come on, easy rating, man. It's time. Let's go.
Boy, a cheat. Don't reach. Let's get it down. Get down.
Boss, make a pass.
Let's get there. Get down. What a mess! What a mess!
Who the play with easy? Who the play with easy? Who the play with easy? Who the play with easy?
Bring the who! Bring the who! You better bring the who! Show you! Bring the who! Get down! Come on now!
Wait!
La chose n'a la petite frère, le bling. Chose n'a so, that man des so. Ah, petit frère, ouais, dans ma bouche, mi dans l'ombre, so, ma bouche, mi. Oh! But go burn that petit frère. I know mama easy. I go send information. It go easy that petit frère, they call say Leo Bling. We are coming for you, Leo Bling. You have crossed the battle line. Bushmeat! I will revenge your dad, boy. I go revenge your dad. Don't enter for mountain. Me is the day. That is your community. Tu will come off from toi for Bushmeat. I go give a damn three. Who's I supposed to start the day? Who's I this day? The blink. I did that. No, not to know the for some half chicken. I did that. Bring a periphery. For all we.
Very fair. I don't even want to find you. You can show me a genie, mama. Then bosses are easy. Then bosses are easy. No, not be easy. Not be easy. Not be easy. Then bosses are. Take it go. Do it go.
I see Le Blanc. Le Blanc. Le Blanc. Le Blanc. Le Blanc when I get break heart. I get break her heart. Le Blanc.